Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Sammy. Today I'm going to be installing some new taillights on my GX. This is more of a, I guess, aesthetic mod, and I got the taillights from AliExpress. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys like them. I'm sure there's videos out there showing how to remove the taillights on the GX, but I'll show you real quick how to do it. It took about a month and a half to get here, and let me show you guys real quick what they look like. Okay guys, so this is the box they came in. Like I said, they took about a month and a half, or was it 2 months? I don't remember, doesn't matter. Nicely packaged, nice type of, I don't know, some kind of a plasticky styrofoam. There's the taillights, very nicely packaged and well protected. There's no way they're gonna move around when this is on there, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and show you guys what they look like. Alright, so they got like a plastic covering on them, or saran wrap or something. I got the smoked version. Sun is kind of shining directly at them right now. They don't look too smoked, but they are the smoked version. They have this really cool little design, like I think on the other Lexuses. So yeah, that's pretty much what they look like. And on the inside, we've got a resistor and one single connector, which looks like this, and I'm hoping everything connects easily with, you know, the factory connector. So basically, to remove this tail light, there's two bolts, one right there, and that's all you got to do to take them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick. Yep, it's the same. You can use a 10mm, or I guess a star screwdriver, Phillips. And once you get these out, you just pull straight back and then disconnect the connector. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then try fitting the new one in. Alright, so I have the taillight out, and this is the female connector that comes from the car, and it's different than this, where the male connector is. This was on the new taillights, and this has only 4 wires, while this new taillight came with 5. And the reason for that is this taillight also houses the reverse light, and that's why you have that extra wire. But on the Lexus, we have our reverse light right in there, so I'm not worried about that. I'm going to leave the reverse wire light out, and I'm just gonna worry about the turn signal, the brake light, and the parking lights. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the connector from the original headlight, take out the pins just like this, and then I'm gonna take the connector from the original tail light that I still haven't taken it out, but I'm going to. Then I'm gonna put these pins in there, and then we should be good to go. So, but anyways, let me show you guys the difference between this that came with this taillight and the original one. Alright you guys, so On the right, this one is the original taillight. It's got 4 pins, smaller, it's more square, while on the new taillight connector it's more rectangular, and it had the 5 pins in there. So now I'm just gonna figure out which wires on the new taillight are for what, and then I'm gonna have to connect them in the way that it'll work properly. So I'm gonna figure this out. Keep watching, guys. Alright guys, this is what we have so far. Figured the pins out and the wiring, very easy. Let's check the turn signal. It should be sequential. Yep, sequential. And let's check brake lights. Alright. Everything works, but I have an issue with the little gap on the bottom, which these did not come with the little trim that I've seen others that come with it. Right? There's a little gap right there. And I think I gotta use the little bracket holder from the old headlight so it can grab onto those little hooks right there. So I think I'll swap the brackets from the old one, or actually no, there's no bracketing on here. This headlight is just bigger and these little tabs are further down. So it looks like I'm gonna have to find a way to just close that gap with something. I'm not sure yet what. Maybe get something 3D printed, or maybe some weather stripping, I don't know. But I like how it looks. And yeah, the clips inside and these little bolts should hold it secure in place, so I'm not worried about it falling out, because those bottom ones are not in. So guys, I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the wiring. Alright you guys, I just wanted to tell you how the wiring goes on the driver's side. I'm not sure if the pins will be in the same location as on the passenger side, but let me show you. So you've got your connector, right? This is where you have the little pin, I mean the squeeze tab to detach it from the vehicle connector. So this is the top. So if you're looking at it like this, your red wire is going to be on the top right pin, okay, from these taillights, and the white wire is going to be on the top left. The yellow wire is going to be on the bottom right, and the ground, which is the black wire, is going to be on the bottom left. So the parking light wire is the white one, the brake light is the red one, the yellow light, the yellow wire is the turn signal, black is the ground, the blue is the reverse light. Hello guys, I'm back. It's been about, I don't know, a month to a month and a half since I started this video, but I finally have a solution on my tail lights, on the little gap underneath at the bottom, and I just wanted to finish off this video and show you guys what I did. I went to a 3D printing guy, really cool guy. It's 3D Action printing. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll put a pop-up here so you guys can contact him if you need to. His name is Ramen, really cool guy. It took about 3 to 4 prototypes until we got the right size and everything. So let me show you guys what I have and the final product on this taillight installation. So stay with me, guys. Alright guys, here's what I have so far. The car is running because I'm doing an install, by the way, on my not an install, an update on my Grom V-Line 2. So anyways, I'll do a video on that, how it's been so far, a little review. So guys, I don't know if you can tell, yeah, the taillights are on right now. I left them on so you guys can see how they look, and as you can see, no gaps. Everything is filled in by this 3D printed filler trim piece. I mean, it looks factory to me. There's 2 tabs here at the back, one here and one here, and then they stick out, they go that way. And then on the bottom of them I added some 3M tape. Ramen was trying to make some tabs that clip into the bracket, and he would have done it, but it would have taken like another 2 or 3 prototypes of printing, and I just didn't feel like it. So I'm like, forget it, I'm just gonna put the 3M double-sided tape on the bottom here, and then we're good. And then there's also a little tab that he printed on this portion of the piece, which slots in to the bumper. So that's what keeps it from moving back and forth. It's not perfect. I'm thinking of adding some more, maybe 3M tape somewhere around here. It's okay right now, but I don't know, just to secure it a little more. But yeah, as you can see, that's how we designed it. Like I said, I paid for the design and everything, so the 3D printed file is technically mine. I'm not gonna give it away. Just gonna let Ramen keep it, and then if any of you guys need these trim pieces, just contact him, and he said he'll sell the pair for both sides for $60. He'll 3D print them for you, and then he'll ship them to you. He'll probably charge, I don't know, something extra for the shipping, like 3D priority mail, USPS priority mail, like 3-day shipping or something. But yeah, this is the gap filled in. As you can see, looks pretty factory to me. Can't really tell. All the other Prado head taillights that I've seen come with this like kind of nasty like rubber trim piece, and I wasn't willing to install it that way. That's my wife. She's camera shy. See how fast she ran away? Anyways, yeah guys, this is the final product. Let me switch them off. Let me switch off the taillights so you can see how it looks with the taillights off, like during the day. Okay guys, this is how it looks with the taillights off during the day. Really nice look. I've had these taillights on for probably like 2 months now. No signs of condensation inside or anywhere for that matter. So yeah, these turned out to be really good quality. I found, funny thing is, I bought these on AliExpress, and now after I got mine, found these on Amazon. So I don't know if they posted these after I bought mine or before, but it would have been much nicer if I had bought them from Amazon, because you know the shipping would have been only a few days, while these from AliExpress took about I don't know, a month or something like that. So yeah guys, that's it for this install. I'll leave links for the taillights. I'll leave links for the 3D printing guy Ramen, for his website. I think he has a website, and I'll put his details in the description. And yeah, that's it. Any questions, comments, let me know. I'll be happy to help as much as I can. And that's it for now guys. I'm installing the Grom V-Line on this one, on my mom. She saw my V-Line and she was like, oh, I want this for my car. I'll be like, okay, fine. So I'm gonna do that install right now real quick. As you guys might have seen my other video, I already know how to do it now. So it'll probably take me, you know, no more than an hour to do everything. So, but that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.